Hello everyone, my name is Mehmet Rodi Aydogdu and my department is CS. Today we're going to do an experiment about terminal velocity in viscous fluids for my Physics 101 project. In this experiment, we're going to throw different sized and different and balls that weigh differently in viscous fluids such as honey, and we're going to use honey in this experiment and see whether the terminal velocity depends on volume and mass of the objects that are going through the fluid. First of all, we need to choose 2 points for balls to travel, and then we can measure it. And then we need to measure the diameters of ball bearings with vernier caliper. Now we can weigh the balls to measure their masses. Here in this table we can see the diameters and the masses of balls and their calculated densities. Moving on to the experiment, we are throwing the balls into honey and taking them in the video so we can measure the time the balls took to cover certain distance. Here is the data we got from our experiment, and here is the calculated velocity from our experiment and the graphs.
Here we can see the theoretical background of this experiment. And here we can see the error rates from our experiment compared to the theoretical calculations.
In conclusion, our experiment showed parallel results with the theory, but with some margin of error. This margin of error is due to the reason that honey's viscosity is sensitive to temperature changes, and our tube which we used in the experiment is quite narrow. But this experiment could be improved by using a wide tube and another fluid such as glycerin, which has a high viscosity and not as sensitive as honey to the temperature changes. Thank you for watching this video.